too much.
He's not gonna eat your father.
How's the tail holding up? Oh, did you spoil it a little fine tuning?
Look, it's okay. They're friends.
Yeah!